The material is a very tough ABS plastic. It has metal load-bearing surfaces built inside where the screw goes through here to take the lateral pressures when you tighten the cam against your wood piece in your router, your CNC router. And it's got a nice tapered edge on the front, right along here and all the way around, and so that it grips a little better at the top edge to get a nice bite into your part, but without damaging the surface too much. And a lot depends on how tight you clamp it as well, because you can actually clamp it, turn it so that it's about at that angle there, and it's nice and tight, but the more you turn it, the tighter it gets. So it all depends on the operator.